Welcome back. Oh, yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey, hey, Mickey, oh, Mickey, you're so fine.
Ariana Grande blessed us with the Thank You Next music video, and you know, everybody's like, oh, it's Mean Girls theme, it's this, it's that, but I gagged when I saw her post the pictures of the Bring It On cheerleaders. The first Bring It On was the best, it was the most iconic. Gabrielle Union did that, okay? So I am gonna try to make the costume. We're gonna just shoot for the top. In the perfect world, I won't have to sew anything. I bought like fabric glue. I don't know how this works exactly, but I saw this girl making boots with fabric glue. So I was like, okay, that's right up my alley. The lazy beach way. 1 yard of this, right? This was $9 for 1 yard. This was $5 for 1 yard. The top is just basically a triangle with a neck strap and a band at the bottom. So what I'm thinking is, people do bandana shirts all the time, but like this, but I'ma flip it, okay? I'm gonna flip it and do it like this. Make the neckline, the striped neckline, the striped bottom, and if I have enough fabric for a skirt, make a skirt, and then glue on the logo on the front. So I think I can do it, but I don't know, okay? So this is my first DIY on this channel. I feel like I'm pretty crafty, I'm pretty artsy, okay? I taught myself how to edit videos, and y'all see how that goes, okay? Maybe now I can teach myself to be a fashion designer. This yellow fabric I've had for like a year now. I used to use it to film with. So without further ado, let's get to creating. So we're gonna use, because I kind of want to fold it over so that the ends don't look super raggedy. 4 inches. Yeah. Start cutting. Okay, so tip number 1, don't do this on carpet. The goal is to cut this in half and then to have it do the little V thing. You know, that little V that they have on the cheerleader costume. Alright, let's see if the fabric glue works. I just want to like press down the edges, you know? ASMR. Beautiful. I'm gonna let this dry while I do the other piece. Rather on the large side. Darling, this is kind of big. So 5 inches was a bit much. Looks like a graduation sash. What should I do? I could fold it over. I better not rip my ruler. We're doing 2.5 inches. Everybody I know is out enjoying their life. Maybe if I fold it over one more time, that looks better to me. Make measurements. So yeah, I think I can glue it together and then just lay it flat so that everything like is in alignment. And let's hope it is. Okay, so they're coming together now for the green sliver. Okay, so the straps are done. They feel good. They look alright. They're not that bad. They're not too bad. Like, I've seen worse. So I could do it like this and be lazy, but basically with like a cheerleading costume, with a cheerleading uniform, it's supposed to be like this. Oh, it kind of worked. It definitely works. Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute now. It's working. It's working. It's working. Here we go, Britney. Here we go. I used to be a cheerleader back in my youth. All right, I'm gonna sew these together. I'm about to wear this. I'm about to save this for Halloween and be a Clover girl. What was your favorite Bring It On? The one with Solange wasn't bad. That one wasn't that bad. So I had to call in reinforcements, aka my weave thread and my giant needle, because there's so many layers. It's so thick, it keeps ripping the little thread here. So I'm gonna use this and try my best to hide it because it's black and I don't want it to mess up the look and feel. You feel me? So I just glued it. I couldn't do it. Could not do it, child. I couldn't do it. I need more glue though. It looks like it's gonna stay though. I'm just gonna cut off. So it's day 2 and I have to finish the shirt. But I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, but I don't know. I'm not well versed in sewing. I'm nobody's designer, so. I bought a zipper though. Let's see how this works. I think this should be easy. I think the other pieces should be more calm. Okay, so now that it's a little bit more dry, we are just going to cut off the excess of the green of the bandana. So I printed this out, but I don't know, something's wrong with my school printer and it doesn't print green. So I have to cut this and then just kind of like cut out the pieces that are supposed to be green. Yo, this is actually like mad fun. Even though I'm stressing because I want it to look good. Fun. I haven't done any artsy stuff like this in so long. Good thing we bought more glue, guys. More glue. I'm gonna say get like 4 of these things. Or if you know where you can get like a bulk glue. Our logo, this looks amazing if I do say so myself. And then we're just gonna glue this down in the middle. Bitch, this looks freaking great. I'm so proud of myself, to be honest. I was actually gonna give it, woo! Okay, so we're done with the shirt. Now for the skirt. I don't even feel like measuring this out right now, so I'm just gonna try to cut in a straight line, and I'll probably mess it up, but that's fine. Okay, so I cut out the skirt, and then now I'm gonna make the extra straps. I hate this material. Oh my gosh, I hate this material so much. The top is definitely like the star of the show. The skirt is done. The skirt is done. The shirt is also done. I'm gonna make these dry. I'm gonna go take a shower, beat my face, and come back, and hopefully everything is good. Okay? So I'll be back. I am officially a Clover. I feel like this is my life's destiny. I'm finally a Clover, guys. I made it. I did it. Oh god. Okay, one thing. Measure yourself well. My dimensions are totally off, so nothing like actually fits me. So yeah, I should have probably like taken one of my shirts and got like the proper measurements, but where's the fun in that? Now I'm finally officially a Clover. Brr. It's cold in here. There must be some Clovers in the atmosphere. Here we go. Okay guys, if you like that video and you want me to do more DIYs, I'll do them. This is my first one, so it's kind of bad, but I'll get better. I'm gonna, you know, it probably won't be clothes again. It'll probably be some like room things or whatever, or I'll get a sewing machine and actually try to do that, because gluing this whole outfit together is a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more vlogs, because it's been a lot of non-vlogs lately, but I'm gonna come back with vlogs. So bye.
That's what everybody say. 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 Oh yeah.